Welcome back, everyone. A passing camp is a great learning experience for young QBs, especially if you have a good teacher. Fox 34's Joshua Cook has more.
That's it, Kellen. Good.
Throwing a good spiral, the ability to think on your feet are just some of the key fundamentals for being a good quarterback for these local Lubbock kids. Who better to learn those skills from than a guy who was a hero to many in his time as a Red Raider. Now spending most of his time in Green Bay donning the green and gold, former Texas Tech gunslinger Graham Harrell enjoys coming back to the hub city to put on passing camps for local kids.
To have an opportunity to come back out here and give back to the community a little bit through this camp, and to, like I said, hopefully improve the youth of this city football-wise, it means a lot.
Getting to work with a former Red Raider quarterback and now NFL QB is a special treat for these local kids, especially for those that grew up admiring the man that wore number 6.
Well, I've been watching him since I was about 6 years old, so he's always been a role model to me, and I just have wanted to be a quarterback since I started watching him.
The goal of the camp is to make each kid a better player, and the drills being used have a nice track record, considering they are the same drills that helped Harrell get to where he is today.
The main goal is to make the guys better, and we got a lot of kids out, and hopefully they are getting better. And it's drills that I've done throughout my career that I feel like have made me a better football player, and you know, they've definitely helped me. And so hopefully these kids can get some good out of them. They can improve their skills a little bit, and like I said, it's just great to be here, and hopefully we're helping kids out.
These days, Harrell's full-time job is working in Green Bay as the backup quarterback for the Packers, and being with that organization has been nothing but a great experience, minus the winners, of course.
It's a great organization. They treat you right. The organization's great. The team's great. We have a bunch of good guys on the team. The winners suck, but other than that, it's a great place to be.
Reporting for Fox 34 Sports, I'm Joshua Cook.